What I'm about to share with you today is not just another routine Social Security update. This is a serious warning that could directly affect your retirement income for the rest of your life. In less than 3 weeks, Social Security is rolling out one of the most significant changes we've seen in decades. Financial planners across the country are scrambling right now, trying to alert their clients before a critical deadline passes. Here's why this matters so much. Some retirees will automatically receive thousands of extra dollars in benefits next year. But others could unknowingly lose life-changing amounts of money if they don't take action before December 31. I've spent weeks digging into these updates for Financial Future, and what I uncovered is honestly alarming, especially a lesser-known provision buried deep in the new guidelines that most media outlets haven't mentioned at all. This single detail could be the difference between a secure retirement and years of financial pressure, especially if you plan to claim benefits within the next 2 years. And here's the most troubling part. The Social Security Administration is not required to tell you how these changes affect your specific situation. That's why, in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's changing, who it impacts, and what you need to do right now to protect your benefits. Before we jump in, take a second to subscribe to Financial Future and hit the like button. It helps us reach more people who need this information, and trust me, with what's coming in 2026 and beyond, you'll want to stay informed. Let's start with the change that's making financial advisors lose sleep. COLA changes like we've never seen before. The new Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA, begins January 1, and it's very different from previous years. Last year's increase helped offset inflation, but the upcoming adjustment introduces a much more complex system. Some retirees will see their monthly checks rise by hundreds of dollars, while others may experience unexpected reductions due to new income threshold calculations. But here's what most headlines aren't telling you. Social Security is also quietly changing how benefits are calculated in the first place. You've probably heard about the highest 35 years of earnings formula. That foundation isn't disappearing, but it is being subtly reworked. And for anyone planning to claim benefits in 2026, that tweak alone could mean thousands of dollars per year, depending on your work history and timing. Think about how many people are planning retirement right now without realizing the rules underneath them are shifting. That's why timing has never been more important. Why this is happening now. So why are these changes happening all at once? It's a perfect storm. An aging population, economic pressure, political realities, and a Social Security trust fund that's edging closer to its projected shortfall. These updates are designed to stabilize the system while still protecting current and near-future retirees. But protection doesn't mean everyone comes out ahead automatically. Already receiving benefits? You're not immune. If you're already collecting Social Security, don't assume you're safe. Tax thresholds are changing, which means some retirees who've never paid taxes on their benefits before may suddenly cross the line. And if you're working while collecting benefits, the earnings limits are being adjusted in ways that could either help you or hurt you depending on your income. Critical decisions for ages 62 to 70. If you're between 62 and 70 and haven't claimed yet, the next few weeks could be some of the most important of your financial life. Traditional advice about when to claim may no longer apply the same way. Some people who plan to wait until 70 may benefit from claiming earlier, while others now have even more incentive to delay. The biggest concern? Some options available under today's rules disappear permanently on January 1. Once they're gone, they're gone. What you should be doing right now. Here's where action matters. First, identify where you fall. Already receiving benefits. Planning to claim soon. Working while collecting. Each situation requires a different strategy. If you're already collecting, review your tax withholding now. Waiting could mean a nasty surprise when you file. If you're planning to claim soon, you need to recalculate your expected benefit under the new formula. In some cases, waiting just a few extra months could lock in a significantly higher monthly payment for life. Early claiming penalties and delayed retirement credits still exist, but the way they're calculated is being adjusted. That means the best age to claim may be different for different people. Imagine turning 66 in early 2026 and claiming without realizing your benefit amount changed in January. That decision is permanent. Wouldn't you want to know beforehand? Application rules are changing too. Another urgent issue many people are missing. The application process itself is changing January 1 St. Some of the flexibility that exists today will no longer be available. That's why even if you don't plan to start benefits immediately, beginning the process now could protect valuable options. Married couples, pay attention. Spousal benefit calculations are also being updated. Long-standing strategies for couples may no longer be optimal under the new rules, especially when coordinating who claims and when. Working while collecting? Read this carefully. Earned income rules are changing not just the thresholds, but what Social Security counts as income. Depending on your situation, this could either work in your favor or reduce your benefits temporarily. What this means for the future of Social Security. Will these changes fix Social Security forever? No. But they are happening regardless of future reforms. What matters right now is understanding how they affect you today. Before December 31, consider this checklist. Review your tax situation if you're already collecting. Recalculate benefits if you plan to claim in 2026. Understand new earnings limits if you're still working. And one more thing most people overlook. Social Security offices will be overwhelmed during this transition. Fixing mistakes later could take months. Would you rather spend a few hours now or months later trying to undo damage? Final thoughts. These changes may feel overwhelming, but knowledge is power. Some updates will help you automatically. Others require you to act. Social Security is the backbone of retirement income for millions of Americans. The changes coming in January bring both risks and opportunities, and staying informed is the difference. I'd love to hear from you. How do you feel about these upcoming changes? Are you concerned? Confident? Confused? Drop a comment below. Your voice matters here at Financial Future. If this video helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Financial Future for clear, honest updates on Social Security and retirement planning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.